Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar and in this video we will see how we can create virtual network. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do, I will go to my Azure portal and I can simply search for my virtual network. They are used for our communication purpose. So I will click on my virtual network here. So I will create my virtual network. So let me hit on create button. Alright, so now here this is my subscription. So I don't have any resource group, so let me create it right away. I will call this as AZ-104 RG4. Sorry, 104 RG4. Yep. Okay, and here I will give a name to my VNet. So I will call my VNet as Core Services VNet. So let me type it here, Core Services VNet. Again, when you are deploying VNet, your reason is very critical. Okay, so I'm going to go with East US here. Then I can go towards my next. Here we have few security component and then I can click on next. Here we have, this is the most important part here. So first thing is that let me delete this default subnet from here. So here you see my starting range is coming from this, right? But instead of this, let me say I want to start it from 1020.00. Okay, and here I'm going to select this as 16 only. And now what I can do, I can create my subnet. So what I will do, I will create two subnet for this VNet. So till now I have only configured my VNet named as core services. Now I'm going to open a notepad here. Okay, so till now I haven't yet created. I've simply selected in my portal only. My VNet name would be core services VNet, and here I'll be creating two subnets for this. So one would be called shared service subnet, second would be called database subnet. Okay, and I will address here starting addresses as well. So I will. So let me add a subnet here. Okay, now here if you see this is your default subnet. So I'm going to go with this one only. Here I will keep name as shared service subnet. Okay. And here another critical thing is that you need to specify your starting address. So here this will be coming from here 10 or 20 is 16. Okay, but now here I need to specify my starting address. So let me say that started from 10. Okay, so now this range will go from this to this. Okay, and you can calculate your addresses on the same basis. And here I will simply click on add. Okay, so now here if you see like this is going to be starting, the name is this shared service subnet. Okay, now my this task is done. Now I need to create another subnet named as my database subnet. So I will again click on my subnet. If you already know the basic concept here, as we are only doing labs, so I will call it as database subnet. Okay, now again here it will start from this, and here I can specify my range of the starting address. So let me call it as 20.0. So it will go till this range. I can add. So here both my subnets are ready. Okay, and like every virtual network should at least have one subnet, right? There are 5 IP addresses which will always be reserved. So I can now go ahead and review and create. Again, it will give you all the basic information that you have selected here. So you can see everything is good here, and I can create. Alright, and it shouldn't take too long. It should be really. So now once my this VNet will get deployed, then what I'm going to do, I will export my this template and then I will create another VNet. Okay, so That will do in our next video, but for now let's see whether this VNet is created. So with this name, here is our reason. We have two subnets here. You can again check it from here itself. Okay, so now everything looks good, and these are your available IPs here. So that is all about this video, but now in our next video we will create our VNet. Okay, we'll call our next VNet as something called manufacturing VNet, and then we'll have the subnets as well, but we'll all do using templates. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.